today's update day. So, bro, there's like 2 stuffs that's for free. Here, I'm gonna show you. Like on this cake, like on this big giant cake, you can get this for free. Come around here, get this for free. What else? Ooh, look at the shop. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I give it like a 6 out of 10. Yeah. So yeah, let's get right into an infection lobby, and let's do this. Yo, bro, what? Yo,
What?
like bring back the volcano?
What is that?
Bro, that's so sick, bro. Look at that,
You like that?
bro. Oh my
Don't be
god,
smug.
we gotta sweat in the game.
So I just did. Skill McGill. I look good.
Oh my god, I swear to God, if I hit something else.
You're not him! Yes, why does him?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah!
Want my cake?
Big fat belly.
Want my cake?
I've got
Want my
one.
cake? Want my
You
cake?
want mine?
Yeah, I'll take your cake.
I want your cake.
Mm.
Give me some of your cake.
I bet. Oh,
Yummy.
get it out of my hand. My arm.
Give me a bit of your cake.
Ah, I'm jumping off.
Cake. Give me some of your
I'm jumping off. What'd you say about my cake?
Don't be cake. Give me some of that cake. It was here. It was the force of the lava was here. Nothing.
I
For summer, I can play this one.
Let's go! The party hat got him.
want some of my cake.
You should run.
Yes, sir. Got it. Ah, I hit something.
Man, this place is gorgeous.
Hi. Whoa. Oh.
Who is this party kid hat's trainer, bro?
Because if you fall in the lava, you
I'm terrible, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my god, shoot!
I'm glitching, bro.
Hey, stop throwing that volcano up, bro. Stop filling that up.
Stop filling it up, please. Please stop
No.
filling it up.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah,
Let's get water blue.
No, do it.
We're not
Stop, do it. OG Gorilla Tag is back.
How did I not get tagged down there? How did I not get tagged?
The volcano from Fourth Lava is back.
Yo, where did you
This
get
is the
that?
this from the summer update. It was in the Fourth Lava. So was this.
Whoa.
That was when that was there too, in the summer.
Okay, yep, I'm leaving.
Wait, do you know what happens when it fills up? When the lava comes?
Yeah. Whoa, whoa! I glitched off.
I'm gonna take Doug the boat from you.
Okay, I'll do that.
And you know what happens when the lava step on taking Doug the boat away. No.
I glitched off.
No! It's filling up! Stop! Stop!
Bro, it's so hot in here. I'm wearing a jacket.
Stop! We don't want this to be filled. No,
Is there a lava monkey?
It's gonna fill. Yep, it's filled. It's filled.
Who filled it up, bro? Are you freaking serious?
Why would you not do that? Nobody wanted that. Bro,
It's cool and all, but it gets annoying
Gorilla
after.
Tag. It's OG Gorilla Tag though. I'm so happy it's nice. It's OG Gorilla Tag right before my
Bro,
eyes.
the way the light goes on, like us.
It's cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this was OG Gorilla Tag in the summer. I'm so happy it's back. And just don't fall in the lava.
Yep.
Man, it's filling up.
Don't want to make that mistake again.
As long as we stay up here, we'll be fine. This is
Yep.
insane. This is Force Lava when I was new to get. Bro, hey, remember this from Force Lava? remember that? That was so fun. That's when I started playing the game back in the summer of this year.
Yeah, lava monkey.
When did you start playing?
Me?
I can make anybody a lava monkey with this.
A little bit.
Oh shoot, we gotta go. Right? Yep, we gotta go.
I'm gonna start wall running. Wanna start wall running?
Don't mess it up. Yes, sir. No, bro, I glitched. Oh, Jesus Christ. Is that a lava monkey?
Go back and take your heart. Put it in mine.
Where do we go?
Come back to Stump. Or no, I'm coming. Can we go back up on the platform? Guys!
Tag.
Is back in the house.
It's insane. It's insane. Oh, so hard.
Oh, I made it!
I'm glitching.
Man, I love that ice is melted.
Yep.
That leaves us with the question. Why did the ice crack last update?
Yeah, why did it?
Yeah, for real. I thought they were gonna do something about that.
It's color code. It's not real.
This color code just looks really weird.
Where's Daisy? This stuff made me fall.
I don't know, but his color code looks really weird. Yo,
That's
let's learn
my
how lava
ass.
run. Let's learn how lava run. Like this. Me, where are you? I'm by the. I'm
Oh, what the heck?
right now.
Oh, GG, bro. GG. GG. GG.
GG, man. Can you guys teach me how to lava
Bro.
run?
GG. GG.
I
GG.
can teach you how lava run.
GG.
I'm ready. I'm wearing lab coat. Is this you?
What's up, bro?
You want to go into
What's
a
up?
private server? Wait,
He said I put out someone
Wait,
there.
Hey, you want to go into a private server?
I've never touched this.
Wait, there's two
Get me right now.
Where?
Yes, ma'am.
So guys, can I tell you some stories from when I played in Forest Lava when this was here? This is my first time ever being in lava. We'd be on the this area on the lava rise, and we'd be playing tag over here. There'd be nowhere to go, so we had to like.
Yeah, or you use the branches.
Yeah,
like
you guys jump onto the
boat.
It was hard
But
though.
why did they bring that? Why did they bring this bag, bro? Any other map, any other update, you have to bring
No, but this was really cool though. It was my favorite
I
update.
hate the lava. I hate it because if you
No, they should be saying
No, they should make it so lava is a
God,
different game.
Hey, look, I've had to deal with it twice. I've had to deal with it twice. You guys only once.
No, I deal with it.
I kind of like the lava update. I like the lava.
No. I mean, like, I deal with it in Forest Lava and now this update.
Me too. You guys got long lives.
One second, you want
Oh, wait, I
You know
got
what
an
I
idea.
did?
The crack in the
Actually,
ice
yeah.
meant the volcano was emerging.
Yeah, that one. You're serious.
Yeah, let Doug die instead of us. I'm glitching.
Run! From the lava!
Jumbo.
He's erupting!
Lagging, I'm lagging. He glitched.
You guys are gonna get touched in about 2 seconds.
Oh, no! Ah!
The volcano is my uncle, guys. Don't let it fool you.
Why did I jump in there?
I'm lava now. Bro, how can Goofy get up there?
Well,
Let's see.
and it's up here.
Bro, I'm underwater. Bro, I love this. Hey, that means there's no more snowballs to beach.
Bro, you got that juicy fake
I
bag.
can't get assaulted by 20 billion monkeys.
Oh, dang it. Oh, yes, okay.
You ain't not gonna go.
I'm tired, bro. One more round, one more round, one more round.
Yeah, you're it, bro. Have fun.
One more round.
They added the old song.
Nah, bro, I didn't even touch that.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, music.
You have to go on. Bro's insane. Survive. Bro's insane.
No time. No, please, please.
This is so scary.
Got you, bro. I got you, blood.
Okay, alright.
Does anybody know how to go fast in the lava?
Leave Ivan.
Or do you just get lucky?
Jesus Christ.
Come down here to the fire of the
Oh.
Everybody rest the middle
No, that's not how I go out. That's not how I go out. I'm getting chased, am I? No! Well guys, this looks like this is the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace!